Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. I want to wish everybody a happy new year and welcome back to the page. If this is your first time, please do me a huge favor, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'm not going to keep you too long. Guys, I know this is just January, but I have a Dragonfruit video for you. All right, this is a leftover from 2025, but this is a new variety to me, so I'm going to do the whole regimen of getting the bricks, letting you guys see what it looks like, and of course, definitely the taste test. So this one is the Laverne Pink, and it was a latecomer to the garden. I just let it sit there, turn red as time progressed, and now it's time for me to harvest and for me to taste this delicious fruit, according to what was told to me that it is a delicious fruit. So we're gonna take the bricks, we're gonna cut it open, see what it looks like, and I'll give you my review on this fruit. All right, guys. All right, guys, there we have it. So the other Laverne that I have is the Laverne Red, and it is definitely red on the inside, and look at the hue on this one. This is more of a magenta, but in real life it looks kind of like pinkish purplish. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get the bricks. All right, as usual, we want to go to the center of the dragon fruit because that's where it's the sweetest at. And for those who are new to the page, the bricks meter allows me to tell you how sweet it is. So anything over a 16 is really, really good. 15 and 16 is good, but anything over the 16 mark, you're looking at a real sweet, delicious fruit. So this is the bricks meter. I'm gonna apply the juices right here. Guys, the bricks is coming in at a 19, more like a 20. It's pushing right to the 20. I want to give it the 20, but it's more of the 19. Yeah, guys, so the bricks is pretty high, and this is one of the winter fruits. So imagine in the summertime when it's supposed to be the peak season for the dragon fruit, how sweet and delicious this will be. So let's do the taste test. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. All right. Ooh, sounds real crispy. This one is sweet through and through. Even the aftertaste is really delicious. Oh, now this is a centerpiece. Guys, this is it. I will be looking forward to hopefully sending these out 2026 so that you guys could experience what I experienced. Okay. All right, guys, so this is the Laverne Pink. You know the motto on the page, but if you don't, each one teach one. It's a Cali Bro J, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.